Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another exciting advent calendar unboxing, and today's is from Essence. I think I've done the Essence advent calendar for the last several years and it's always so much fun. So if you guys are as excited as I am, then let's jump right on in. So it's going to be hard for me to keep this all in frame, but this is what it looks like right here. It says ho ho home for Christmas. Well, it says Xmas. It doesn't say Christmas. Down here it is a city with a little carousel. We have a little tree with presents underneath. We have Santa's sled. We have a snowman. And it opens up like this to be an entire town. It's so cute. Okay, so as you can see, there are numbers all on here. There are also some numbers on the doors as well. So let's jump right on in. All right, guys, I'm going to have to back up, and I might not be in frame, but at least this will be in frame. So day number 1. It says it's matte o'clock. Okay, day number 1 is a mini matte fixing powder, and it says let it snow. It's got cute little gingerbread. It has a snowflake imprint. It says this mini matte fixing powder sets makeup for a perfectly matte natural finish during Christmas season. The transparent shade fits all skin tones. So here's day number 1. Day 2. The door says collect moments and lipsticks. So probably lipsticks. It says Essence mini lipsticks. Oh, they're little like lip crayons. Aren't they cute? All right, they're good holiday seasons. It's like a mauve and like a bright red. Day 3 says shape it till you make it, and it is empty. So my guess is it has fallen through to another door, so we'll get that later. Day 4. Today is a good day to write your own fairy nail. Oh, cute. The little nail decals, as you guys can see. I love doing fun designs on my nails. This one is a multiracial mani that I did for Adoption Awareness Month, which is November, by the way. In case you guys are new to my channel, I have 3 adopted kiddos. Day 5 looks like a big one. It says find your little heart baker. It's a little gingerbread. Oh, gingerbread gift tags. You can always use more gift tags, right? Day 6 looks like a long one. Ooh. Be my candy cane crush. And it is a candy cane swirl makeup brush. I really enjoy their brushes, so that's fun. It's a full-size product. 7's another tall one right here in the middle. Looks like a Kajal pencil in black, and I believe I got this one last year in their calendar, so I will be gifting this one. Day 8 down here. Nourishing hand cream. Let's see what this smells like. I want to say it's like a rose scent. It's slightly floral. Day 9. A little bronzy nail polish with like a swan on it. That's cute. Last year I think they gave us like 4 nail polishes, which I thought was a little overkill. We'll see what this year's holds. That was 9. 10. Ooh, it's a full-size mascara. It is the I Love Extreme Volume Mascara, which I'm sure I've tried on this channel before. 11. Oh, here's probably the product from before. Little tweezers, that was probably the product that we missed on day 9. All right, but for day 11, it says twinkle, twinkle, little star, make a wish wherever you are. And it is an Essence charm bracelet, probably meant for a toddler. You guys see the size of this? I don't think most people that are buying makeup want like a toddler-sized charm bracelet. It's just my opinion. Day 12. is whoop, on the floor. Day 12 is color changing lip balm with vitamin E, and it has a little gingerbread man on it. And it's orange. You guys want to know what it does, don't you? I do. Okay, so it's orange, it's orange, it's orange, it's orange. It's still orange. It's still orange. I don't know, are you guys seeing anything happening? We'll leave it on my hand and see what happens by the end of the video. Color changing lip balm. I've seen a couple of these floating around. Must be like the thing for 2020. Still orange. Day 13 is actually over here on this side. Let me guess, stickers? Oh, face jewels. I have a handful of these and I've never been brave enough to try them. Perhaps next year my daughter can be a unicorn and wear these. They're really pretty. Day 14, my guess is another polish. Oh, nope, I was wrong. It is actually a double pencil sharpener, which is great because they gave us jumbo lip pencils and they gave us an eye pencil so you can sharpen both. That was good planning. Day 15 is up here. And it is a mini high gloss top coat nail polish. That works. I can always use top coats. Day 16 down here. Day 16 says happy browladays, and they give you this little eyebrow styler. It's like a little brush with 2 shades of brow powder. Day 17. Two little metallic hair ties, all right. Day 18. This one says gloss like a boss, and it is super holographic. It is a glitter lip topper. Do you guys want me to try this? I know you do. All right, you've convinced me. Wow, can you guys see how reflective this is? We're doing it. It's like a paddle. That is really fun. All right, glitter lips and all. Day 18, day 19 is this huge one. I am hoping that it is their exclusive highlight that they seem to put in every advent calendar. Last year was one of my favorite shades. It was like an apricot. Oh no. It says wake up, makeup, be happy, remove, repeat. So it is a little makeup remover towel. I use these all the time. This is the perfect size for my little travel bag. So that is a great option for an advent calendar. Day 20. We have our second nail polish. It is a beautiful Christmassy red. So that's a grand total of 3 polishes so far. 21 is another large one. What do I think it is? A spray? Take a sweet escape to your dreams, beauty. It says one wish a day notebook. Okay, so it's just a little notebook. I don't know what that has to do with makeup. Day 22, maybe there isn't a highlight this year. I'm so disappointed. This one says, there she glows looking like a star, and this is a mini highlighter stick. Right here it's like a nice pearly shade, and here is the color changing lip balm. It still looks kind of peachy orange to me. What do you think? 23 is over here on the door, and I accidentally already opened it thinking that it was just part of the display. And inside it says nothing. Body jewelry tattoos. I feel like these were in them last year as well, and I never used them. That's 23. And finally we have day 24. Which is a mini highlighting brush with glitter that falls down in the handle. that is all 24 days in this Essence Advent Calendar. If you wanted to spoil the surprise, you could watch a video like this one, or you could look on the back of the box. It shows you all the different products. It just doesn't tell you what day they are. So if you want to look on the back, you can see that this one is a notebook, this one's a brush, stickers, these are nail polishes, hair ties, etc. So I feel like they didn't go as makeup heavy this year as they did last year. Like I said, last year we got a new highlight shade, and I want to say like Essence is famous for their pure nude highlights. So that was a great thing in the pack last year. This year, I'm excited about this hollow lip gloss, as juvenile as it may be. The two brushes are nice. The full-size brush, the full-size mascara, the touch-up powder is nice. I could do without the tattoos, the charm bracelet, the gimmicky color-changing lip balm. Those are things I could do without. But, I mean, I like that you get some fun makeup products in here. You get some fun accessories in here. I could easily regift some of these to my 8-year-old daughter and my 6-year-old niece, and they would be thrilled. So it's really fun, and I still love getting this every year. I would definitely be happy to get this as a gift myself as a 37-year-old woman. So really fun, really affordable products, a really affordable advent calendar. Hope you guys enjoyed doing this unboxing as much as I did, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Oh, and by the way, I got this reindeer hoodie at Marshall's last year on clearance for a couple bucks, so jingle jingle. Bye.